P9, it's Amy. I've got some challenges for you to do over your summer holidays. There's going to be 4 challenges to keep you busy, okay? You can come back and you can watch this video as many times as you like. Challenge number 1, I'd like you to go for a walk into the park or in the countryside. If you don't have a park or countryside you can go to, perhaps if you've got a garden, you can look in the garden. And I want you to have a look at the different leaves and the different flowers that you can see on your walk, okay? So I've been in my garden and I've collected some flowers and some leaves. I've got some more leaves here. I've got a really long leaf and I've got a selection of leaves all together. Okay, so that is challenge number 1, to go for a walk and find some flowers and some leaves. I'll be back with challenge 2 for you. Hi, time for challenge number 2. Do you remember in challenge number 1, I asked you to go for a walk and have a look for some flowers and some leaves. So hopefully you managed to find some. I've still got my flowers and leaves right here. And what I'd like you to do for challenge 2 is a little bit of artwork, okay? Now, if you wanted to, you could get some paint and you could paint your leaves and you could do some printing on some papers with them. Or if you've got some glue, you could do some gluing and sticking and create a collage, and you can use it as a way of remembering your walk, okay? So it'll be an opportunity to feel your leaves and flowers. You might want to smell them, okay? And if you haven't got any paint or some glue, perhaps you could do an experiment and you could put them in some water and you could see if the leaves float on the top of the water or if they sink. Okay, and do they feel a little bit different and maybe a bit cold when they're wet? So that's going to be challenge number 2. I'll be back with challenge number 3. Time for challenge number 3. Okay, for this challenge, I'd like to get to know a little bit more about you. So I would like you to have a little bit of help from somebody in your family to tell me all the things that you like. So you might want to take some photos or a video of some of the toys or the games you like to play with, the places that you like to go to, or the people you like to spend time with. And you could email these pictures to me, or maybe you could ask somebody to write down the things that you like and send it to me so I can learn a little bit more about you, ready for September. Okay, it's time for challenge number 4. This is your final challenge and it's all about telling me all about your summer holiday news. So it might be telling me about places you've visited, people you've seen, or things you've done. You might like to send it as photographs or written down and either email it to me or bring it into school in September. And when we look at what everybody's done, you might find that there's a friend in your new class who's done the same thing or likes the same things as you as well. So that's going to be challenge number 4, and I look forward to hearing all about your summer holidays, and I will see you in September. Bye.